Hello, this is Ian and Silas with DC Digital, and today we are going to be showcasing our DC-25T-UP-TERM-NEMA with a DC relay NEMA 120 refrigeration ventilator uptimer. So what the customer aims to accomplish by utilizing this product is to show their workers how long the cooling fan or the ventilation fan has been operating, and to alert the workers when the fan is powered down for whatever reason, whether if it's a power outage or whether if it's turned off, anything of that sort. So how it works is the relay switch box, which is connected to the fan, starts the uptimer when the fan is powered on, and when it is powered off, the timer pauses and the end of period alarm flashes at the bottom of the uptimer, letting workers know when the fan is powered off. So I'm going to have Silas take over, and he's going to explain the functions of this unit, and then I'm going to take over afterwards and showcase the hardware aspect of this model.
Alright, this setup you see in front of you is a simulation of what you would see in the field, with the relay box on the right being attached to a switched power or a switched outlet that is attached to what the fan is currently doing. When the fan turns on, the outlet is powered. That's so. When the fan turns on, you'll see the timer start counting up. It'll count how long the fan has been running for. Then, or the fan comes off, this light will start to blink. This is controlled by the internal timer. In this case, it is set for 4 minutes. So after 4 minutes, that light will stop blinking. This is to indicate that the fan has not been operating for too long. It can go all the way up to 99 minutes, so you can get an early indication as to whether something is wrong before something happens. You can set the time, or set the amount of time, or that it will hold by pressing the button. And if you hold it for long enough, you will be able to reset it to 0. Note that when the timer is set to, or when that minute timer is set to 0, the light does not blink. This product uses our shift digit technology, which allows the most significant digit to be shown at any time. It will start from 0, and once the counter increments past 99 seconds, it will switch to minute, seconds format. If it were to happen to count longer than 99 minutes, it would switch to hour, minute format until you max out at 99 hours and 99 minutes. Under the hood here is our relay. The relay is attached, or is going to be wired to the fan, so that when this relay is powered, this counts up.
So quickly going over the hardware aspect of this unit, as you can see, we have two NEMA enclosed 4X polycarbonate IP66 rated enclosures. The display size for the uptimer is 2.3 inches that can be viewed up to a total of 120 feet. The number of digits that the unit has, or at least the uptimer, is 4 digits that can count up to a total of 99 hours, 59 minutes, and 59 seconds. And this is thanks to our shift digit technology that displays the seconds and hundredths of a second, which will then shift over to minutes and seconds, and then afterwards we'll shift over to hours and minutes. Its power are two 3-prong power connectors that is grounded into each of the units. So you have a power connector that goes from the uptimer, and you have a separate one that is connected to the relay switch. And lastly, for accessories, we have our end of period Andon light at the bottom of the uptimer that flashes red. We also have our relay box that acts as the switch to start and stop the uptimer when the fan is turned on, and as you can see, it is directly connected via our terminal block, which is inside here. That's how the uptimer is connected. And there's also a separate terminal ID block inside of the relay switch. And lastly, we have a push button on the top of the uptimer, and it has an EEPROM memory retention. So in other words, it will retain how long the end of period alarm will flash. So again, this is Ian and Silas with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-25T-UP-TERM-NEMA with a DC relay NEMA 120 refrigeration ventilator uptimer. Thanks for watching.